Hey everyone, welcome back. This video is going to be a review of my work area where all of my ships are built. I'm going to start out with this area here, which is my engineering area, where all of the design and conceptualization is done. I use 2 monitors and 3D modeling software to create all my vehicles. This area here is where I do all the fine detail work, such as trimming and sanding. This is my prototype area, where I have all of my first builds up on shelves. From the very first Viper, to the first Pegasus version, to my first Land Ram and Raider. All really cool stuff. On the top shelf, I have a custom box that John Poole made for me, which came out awesome, and I'm eternally grateful. Thanks, John. This table here is my staging area. This is where I do all my building and part storage and ship storage while they're waiting to be shipped. Over on this end, I have completed ships that are ready to be boxed up and sent out. And then as we work our way to the right, they become less and less complete. Here we have a model that I'm working on now that's going to be a Battlestar Galactica starfighter. Stay tuned for that to be released in the future. This is my gluing area where I do all the gluing and clipping to hold parts together. Now we'll get into the more fun stuff. Here we have the first 2 machines that do printing. On the top, I'm creating a Battlestar Galactica canopy, and on the bottom, I'm creating Buck Rogers starfighter nose cones, which is a really small part. Over here, we've got 4 more machines that are cranking away. These are creating the Viper body on the top and the Starfighter body on the bottom. And here we have a Cylon Raider front section where you can see the seat and the cup holders being printed up. And on the bottom, we have the rear housing for the Land Ram. Lastly, I've got these 2 little guys printing away over here, where these machines are dual extruders, and I use them just to create all of my Viper fins. They work around the clock making fins for me. Underneath the table, I have some additional part storage in these bags. So I got thrusters, missiles, helmets, seats, all sorts of parts, and miscellaneous extra stuff needed to do printing. Glue sticks, repair kits, sanding, and glue. And then I'm going to finish up the tour with my filament storage. These are all of the spools of filament that I'll be using over the next couple weeks. I go through quite a lot, as you could imagine. So that wraps up what I wanted to show everybody today. Thanks for joining me, and stay tuned for more videos to come. Thank you. See ya.